To check blood oxygen level on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, first of all, you will have to start by opening Apps menu and you will have to scroll for SpO2. You will have to just open it. If you have some kind of notifications that you will have to accept, then do this. And now put it on your wrist and keep still with the face up. And we have to simply put it on our, wait a minute, that's some kind of the issue. Let's try one more time. Okay, as you can see, there was some kind of the issue, but for the third time it's actually working, so we have to just wait for the final result. At the top we get remaining time, and that's your final result. You can also measure one more time. So it's not working properly, like it wasn't actually working properly, but now it's gonna record this another time without any issue. So if you have the same problem like me for the first measurement, then you will have to actually try to do this one more time.